Meaning of Doppler effect.
Doppler effect.
Doppler effect.
Doppler effect.
Doppler effect. The Doppler effect is a phenomenon that occurs when the frequency of sound waves or light waves appears to change due to the relative motion between the source emitting these waves and an observer. When the source is moving towards the observer, the frequency appears to increase, resulting in a higher pitch for sound waves or a blue shift for light waves. On the other hand, when the source is moving away from the observer, the frequency appears to decrease, leading to a lower pitch for sound waves or a red shift for light waves.